Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to easily resize and compress images for your WordPress website free. Okay, one of the most compelling reasons to resize images for the web is to optimize page load times. Large, high-resolution images can significantly slow down a website's loading speed. This can lead to higher bounce rates, and as impatient users are likely to leave a site that takes too long to load. I Love Image is an online photo editor. I use I Love Image a few times a week, and I have been using it for a number of years. Right? So we are going to go onto this online editor in a few moments. With this editor, you'll be able to resize JPG, PNG, SVG, or GIF by defining new height and width in pixels. Okay, so let's have a look. All this reading. Let's have a look. This is I Love Image, iloveimage.com. Your online photo editor is here and forever free. It is free up to 30 images. If you go over 30 images, and then you'll have to pay. Okay, you can do many things with this online photo editor. You can compress images, resize them, you can crop images, and so on and so forth. So what we are going to do now is let's just go back to our text. And something to keep in mind is for a featured image, for a blog post or a page, the width should be a minimum of 1,200 pixels, and the height should be a minimum of 675 pixels. All right. So you can see these three images. You can actually, if I just click on an image, this is the original one. This is the one after resizing, and this is the one. I'm sorry, can I just go back? So this is the original. This is after resizing, and this one is after resizing and compressing. Okay, so let's close this. Now, what I am going to show you is, let us click the resize image. Okay, it is all right. And resize image, select image. So click there, select image, and this is the original one. If I hover over this particular image, you can see the dimensions 1920 by 1280 pixels. This is much too much. You can see the size 503 kilobytes. This is huge. This is going to slow down your website, right? So let's click this particular image and open. And you have two options. One is you can the resize options, one by pixels, the other one by percentage. So if I go to percentage, let's say that I would like to have 50% smaller image. In other words, 1920 would be 960, 1280 would be 640. But it could be 75% smaller or 25% smaller. But I prefer to work by pixels. So this is the original width, 1920. It is too much. I want 1,200. But to be on the safe side, let's go to 1,210, right? So 1,210 pixels, and I am going to maintain the aspect ratio. So the height is going to be 807, and all I do is click resize images. It is resizing, and it's done. If I click on download, it is going to download for me. If I don't click on this tab, it will download for me in any case, and there it is. All right. So let us assume that I am going to click on the download resize images, and it is going to download into my computer, and then I want to compress afterwards. So I would have clicked this tab, but this is too time consuming. Now I Love Image gives us the opportunity, the option to compress the image that we have just resized. All right. So click there, compress image. And so this is now the resized image. And all I have to do is click compress images. In this case, compress one image. And as you can see, the image is now 47% smaller, from 238.95 kilobytes to 128.43. So again, the same thing, you click on the download compress images, it will download for you. If you don't do it, then then I Love Image will do it for you automatically. So this is where we started, down to 128. But let's just go back here. The very first image, this one, image 1, was 1920 by 1280, and it was 503 kilobytes. After resizing, it became this image, image 2, came down to 259 kilobytes. And after compressing, the resized image came down to 128.43 kilobytes. Right, so you are going to save a lot of space in your website. You are going to make your website so much faster. Right, ladies and gentlemen, if this video was helpful, would you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Cheers.